If you like this video and channel, click on the like button and subscribe button. Also, if you want to have notification when new video released, click on the notified button. Welcome in video where you can see how to work and create trends in your, for example, HMI project or WinCC RT project. For this example, we use PC Station and WinCC RT Advanced. Okay, first we create some new screen, for example, with name trends. Okay, for showing the trends, we use trend view object. We can insert it on the screen by drag and drop and change the size of this object to have it a little bit bigger. Okay, by trend view you can show some values. For example, we use water flow. We show two values: actual water flow and the set point of water flow. Okay, we insert some button, some IO file, and on this IO file we show, for example, water flow, actual water flow. We a little bit change the format and the alignment of the text. Okay, we make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and by buttons we increased the value of the actual water flow. This is only for simulation. In your project you use values, for example, from PLC. Okay, also change the format and font of this button. Okay, also we insert some label of this IO file. For actual water flow, we also insert some unit, liters per minute, for example. Okay, and now we create IO file for inserting the set point. Actual water flow IO file we use only to output the value. Okay, and increase button we use only for, we have more than one increase button and more than one decrease button. One buttons will be increase actual value of the water flow by 0.1 and second by 0.5 and third by 1. Okay, we make it a little more pretty. Make some labels. plus 1, plus 0.5, and plus 0.1. Okay, we alignment it. Okay, now we want to make some tags. For this we create new tag table with name, for example, trends, and here we create two tags. First tag will be actual water flow of data type real, and second will be set point water flow, also data type real. Okay, okay. Now how we can insert this process values to the trends. You click on the trend window, click on the properties, and in option trend you can insert values which you want to display in trend window. First we want to display actual water flow. Yes, here is, for example, cyclic at every 1 second. Okay, and second will be set point water flow, also 1 second cyclic. Okay, the name of first trend will be actual water flow, and second will be set point. Here you can change the style of the graph. For example, line width will be 3 and line color will be blue as watercolor, and set point will be also line width 3 and line color will be 0, will be red. Okay, normally in trend values you can show only 999 values if you work with real-time values. If you work with historical data, for example, you show the data from the Excel file, then you can show more values. But for this example we only just use actual values, and we can show only 999 values. Okay, now we create functionality of these buttons. Here we create event where when we press the button plus for number 1 increased, we increased the tag actual water flow by value 1. When we press decrease button, then we decrease tag actual water flow by 1. Same we create for other buttons, but with not same values. Here we use just 0.5 and here 0.1. Okay, now we create decrease events. Okay, also we insert process tag to the actual IO file. This tag is actual water flow 99.9, and for set point is set point water flow. Okay, also we create some borders for the left axis of the trend and right axis of the trend window. For example, the other borders of the axis will be 50 axis and 50. This is the left value axis, and the right value axis will be also 50. Okay, also you can change the labels of the axis. For example, we just need only 2 label axes, respectively label length only 2 numbers, and we make increment by 1. Okay, here you can see the axis is incremented by 1, and we make more marks. Okay, every 2 numbers are displayed. How you can see 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, and here is 50. Okay, but this is only just for right axis. Same we make for left axis. It's 2, increment by 1, and marks also 2. Okay, and okay, now we can try the changes. Just click on the start runtime on the PC when you want to simulate your changes, but at least we create the button stop runtime for stopping the runtime. Stop RT with event stop runtime. Okay, and now we can try it. Okay, this is the runtime, and here you can see the trend view, actual water flow and set point water flow values. And when you move with a ruler, then you can move in the time of the trend graph. For example, we move ruler here, and by ruler on this place you can see the actual value of the actual water flow and set point water flow. For now it's in time 10 hours 55 minutes 43 seconds. Okay, to determine how trend works, we use simple example, for example with PID regulator, where we define the set point value, for example 25 liters per minute. Okay, how you can see, we see here this value by the set point. The graph of set point is red and the actual value is 25. Now we try to simulate PID regulator. For example, first go PID regulator too fast up to the set point, go bigger, then try to catch the set point and go a little bit lower, and again upper, and next catch the actual water flow, catch the set point of water flow, for example by PID regulator. This is only simulation, this is not normal values from PLC. When you for few minutes want to stop the trend view to moving, just click on the trend view and little bit move to the right, for example, and now you can see how values change in the time. For example, in time 10 hour 56 second 45, 10 hour 56 minutes and 45 seconds, the actual value was 27 liters per minute and the set point value was 25. And in time 10 hours 57 minutes and 7 seconds, PID regulator catch the set point of the water flow, etc. We can also simulate some changes. Okay, this is all for this video, where you can see how to create and work with trend view. This is very good feature of the WinCC for showing the values in your process on the HMI or WinCC RT. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.